For today's video, happy Sunday! Ako'y
Carrots,
mag-shake
pepino,
ng carrots
lemon,
with pepino, saging,
saging,
gatas, at
banana,
honey. Let's
and
go!
honey. With honey. Up.
Kunting taas lang. Shake, shake. Shake, shake, baby, shake. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So may shake na ako ng masarap. Masarap na shake. Let's go. Sarap. Nang dahil dito, nag-reduce ang timbang ko ng 9 kilos. 9 kilos ang reduce ng kilo. Thank you for watching. And
9 kilos ang reduce ng kilos ko.